if you want to use your FaceTime on your Android, here is a couple ways of doing this. Alright, so first of all, grab your iPhone and make sure that it supports iOS 17 or later, otherwise this won't work. Now open up your FaceTime, and here we gotta press Create Link. Press it and you have an option to send this link via any application such as Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Zoom, whatever you are using, or maybe you can do this even via your Gmail. So let's do this. Let's choose Gmail. Here we gotta enter our receiver information. Alright, and now press Send. Give it a couple seconds to be sent. Now on your Android device, you want to open up your Gmail or wherever you send it to, right? And wait until you'll get your link. So here it is. Now press on the link and you have to enter your name to join this conversation. Now enter the name which you want to join, under which you want to join into this conversation. You can basically enter anything, press continue. Now press allow. Now on your phone, don't forget to press join. It's important. Now on this pop-up message, tap on it as well. And here you gotta press join as well. Now on your iPhone, find this information icon because you see one person is waiting. Tap here and accept it. Press on this green dot and press done. Now I will turn off the microphone so it won't be such a mess. And basically that's it. Now you can use FaceTime both on your Android, in my case it's Samsung, and on your iPhone, which is a great thing. Now you can participate in FaceTime calls. You can invite up to 32 participants without needing to install any additional apps like Zoom or Google Meet. Also, if your connection is unstable, move closer to router and it will provide a better signal. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.